When people talk about AI, they almost always mention one thing: saving time. But what if I told you the real game-changing advantage of AI for your business isn't just about speed? It's about saving money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how specific AI tools can slash your business costs, replace expensive line items, and help you operate a leaner, more profitable business, all without sacrificing an ounce of quality. Welcome to AI Business Blueprint. This channel is dedicated to helping small business owners, solopreneurs, and side hustlers like you use artificial intelligence to build smarter, more efficient, and more profitable businesses. Everything we discuss here is focused on practical application and real-world cost reduction, not just the latest tech hype. So, let's get started with the single biggest expense that AI can help you replace. Hiring is expensive. There's the salary, of course, but the costs don't stop there. Think about the time and money spent on recruitment, onboarding, training, benefits, and even the inevitable mistakes that new team members make. It all adds up fast. This is where AI offers a powerful alternative. It can dramatically reduce the need to hire extra staff for specific roles like administrative assistants, content writers, entry-level customer support reps, and even virtual assistants. Let's look at a concrete example. Imagine a small e-commerce business. The owner is overwhelmed with daily administrative tasks, sorting through hundreds of emails, drafting social media posts, scheduling meetings, and organizing project files. The traditional solution would be to hire a part-time assistant, which could easily cost $2,000 to $3,000 a month, or over $30,000 a year. Instead, the owner implements a smart AI system. This AI assistant automatically categorizes emails, drafts replies to common inquiries, generates initial drafts for all social media content, and helps organize the owner's entire workflow. The AI can't do everything a human can, but it reliably handles 60 to 70% of that administrative workload. The owner now only needs to spend a few hours a week reviewing and finalizing the AI's work. The cost? Maybe $50 to $100 a month for the AI tools. The savings? Thousands of dollars every single month. This isn't about replacing your core team. It's about augmenting your capabilities so you don't need to expand your headcount for every new task. You get the output of an additional team member without the significant financial commitment, allowing that cash to be reinvested into growth. Now, let's talk about marketing. For most small businesses, marketing is one of the biggest and most unpredictable expenses. You can spend thousands on advertising agencies, copywriters, content creators, and social media managers with no guarantee of a return. AI is fundamentally changing this equation by putting powerful marketing tools directly into your hands, dramatically reducing your costs. How does it do this? First, it can act as your in-house copywriter, generating high-quality first drafts for almost any marketing material you need. This reduces, and in some cases, completely eliminates the need to hire expensive freelance writers or agencies. Second, it helps you improve the effectiveness of your advertising. You can use AI to analyze your target audience and generate dozens of variations of ad copy and headlines, allowing you to test and find the most persuasive message much faster and cheaper than traditional A/B testing. Finally, it empowers you to create all sorts of content in-house. Think about it. A business owner wants to launch a new email campaign, update their landing page, and post consistently on social media. The old way involved outsourcing these tasks, which could cost thousands. The new way? They use an AI tool to write the entire email sequence, draft several compelling versions of their landing page copy, and generate a month's worth of social media captions. Their job is no longer to create from scratch, but to act as an editor, refining the AI's drafts, adding their unique brand voice, and ensuring everything is perfect. By shifting from content creation to content curation, their marketing costs drop significantly, while their output often increases. You maintain full control over your brand's message and save a substantial amount of money in the process. Next up is customer support, another area that traditionally requires a significant investment in time and people. As your business grows, so does the volume of customer inquiries. This often means hiring more support staff to handle emails, chats, and phone calls, leading to increased payroll costs. AI offers a brilliant solution to manage this workload and cut expenses. It works by automating responses to common, repetitive questions, handling basic requests, and filtering inquiries so that your human support team can focus on what they do best: solving complex problems. Let's take a typical online store. They receive the same questions over and over. Where is my order? What is your return policy? Do you ship internationally? Instead of having a person answer these every time, they implement an AI-powered chatbot on their website. This chatbot is trained on their store's information and can instantly answer the vast majority of these frequently asked questions 24/7. When a customer has a more complex issue that the bot can't solve, it seamlessly transfers the conversation to a human agent, along with a full transcript of the chat so far. The result? The total volume of support tickets needing human intervention plummets. Your customers get faster answers to simple questions, which improves their experience. And your support team is freed from repetitive tasks, reducing burnout and allowing them to provide higher quality help for serious issues. This directly translates to cost savings, as you can handle a much larger volume of customers without needing to proportionally increase your support staff. You serve more people, better, and for less money. Let's move on to an often overlooked expense: software subscriptions. Many businesses suffer from SaaS sprawl, paying for a dozen different tools that each do one specific thing. You might have one subscription for a writing assistant, another for a project management tool, a separate one for brainstorming and mind mapping, and yet another for creating presentations. These monthly fees might seem small individually, but they add up to a major expense over the year. AI is helping to solve this problem through consolidation. Modern AI assistants are becoming incredibly versatile, capable of replacing multiple single-purpose applications. Instead of paying for separate tools, a business can now use one powerful centralized AI platform. For example, a single AI assistant can help you brainstorm ideas for a new product, organize those ideas into a project plan, with tasks and deadlines, write the marketing copy for the launch, and even create the slides for the sales presentation. It becomes your all-in-one hub for writing, planning, brainstorming, and content creation. By consolidating your tool stack, you're not just simplifying your workflow, you're directly cutting your monthly expenses. Every subscription you cancel is money back in your pocket. This lean approach reduces complexity, ensures your team is working from a single source of truth, and stops the slow drain of cash from a bloated software budget. Before you sign up for another specialized tool, ask yourself, could my existing AI assistant handle this? More often than not, the answer is yes. Now let us talk about something that costs every business money but rarely appears on a balance sheet: human error. Mistakes are expensive. A missed follow-up with a promising lead can mean a lost sale. An email with incorrect pricing information can lead to angry customers and refunds. Poor internal communication can cause project delays and wasted work. These small errors accumulate, creating a significant drag on your profitability. AI can be a powerful ally in reducing these costly mistakes. How? By standardizing your processes and communications. For example, you can use AI to create templates for common customer service responses, ensuring that every customer receives accurate, consistent, and polite information, no matter who on your team is replying. You can use it to proofread important documents and emails, catching typos and grammatical errors that could make your business look unprofessional. For sales teams, AI can generate follow-up reminders and even draft the follow-up emails, ensuring no lead falls through the cracks. The goal here is to introduce a layer of consistency and quality control that is difficult to maintain with human effort alone. By systematizing your communications and workflows with AI, you reduce the likelihood of preventable errors. Fewer mistakes mean fewer refunds to process, fewer apologies to write, and fewer lost clients. This directly protects your bottom line and strengthens your brand's reputation for reliability and professionalism. Beyond day-to-day tasks, one of the most expensive things in business is a bad decision. Choosing the wrong pricing strategy, launching the wrong product feature, or focusing on the wrong marketing channel can cost you tens of thousands of dollars and months of wasted time. While AI can't make decisions for you, it is an exceptionally powerful tool for decision support, helping you make better, more informed choices with less risk. How does it work? AI excels at structuring information and analyzing complex scenarios. For instance, if you're struggling to set the price for a new service, you can use AI as a thinking partner. You can ask it to analyze different pricing models, like tiered pricing versus a flat fee. You can have it outline the pros and cons of each approach, identify potential customer objections, and even role-play a sales conversation to test your messaging. Let's say you're a business owner trying to decide which of 3 new projects to prioritize for the next quarter. You can input the details of each project into an AI model and ask it to create a decision matrix, evaluating them based on criteria like potential revenue, required resources, and alignment with your business goals. The AI doesn't give you the right answer. Instead, it clarifies the trade-offs, surfaces hidden risks, and provides a logical framework for your thinking. It acts as an unbiased consultant that helps you see the bigger picture. By using AI to pressure test your ideas and structure your decisions, you significantly increase the odds of making choices that lead to growth and profitability, avoiding those costly missteps that can set a small business back for months. Despite all these benefits, many businesses try to use AI to save money and fail. They fall into a few common traps. The first is buying too many tools. They hear about a new AI app every week and sign up for all of them, ending up with a higher software bill than when they started. The second trap is chasing trends. They try to implement the flashiest, most complex AI systems without a clear business case, wasting time and resources. Third, they expect instant results. They think AI is a magic button that will instantly solve all their financial problems without any effort. And finally, they skip the basics. They try to automate complex processes before they've even learned how to write a good prompt. The solution is actually very simple. First, be intentional. Don't adopt an AI tool just because it's popular. Adopt it because it solves a specific problem and replaces a specific cost in your business. Second, replace costs gradually. Start by targeting one expensive, repetitive task and prove that AI can handle it effectively before moving on to the next. And third, measure the savings. Track your expenses before and after implementing an AI solution to see the real impact on your profitability. So let's do a quick final recap. We've seen that AI is far more than a productivity hack. It's a powerful tool for improving your company's bottom line. It saves you money by reducing the need for new hires, lowering your marketing and advertising costs, cutting customer support expenses, consolidating your expensive software stack, and reducing costly human errors. When used correctly and intentionally, AI directly improves your profitability. If you want to learn more about building practical AI systems that boost your profit, not just your productivity, make sure you subscribe to AI Business Blueprint. In the next video, I'll be breaking down exactly how to run an entire one-person business using a few key AI tools. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.